In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove shortcuts in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. That's essential because you won't be able to manage your files without being signed in. Once you're on your Google Drive homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Your files and folders will be displayed here, but today we're specifically looking for shortcuts. Now, shortcuts are pretty handy as they provide quick access to files or folders stored in a different location. However, over time, they can pile up, and you might want to clean them out. To find the shortcut you wish to remove, keep an eye out for a small arrow icon located at the bottom left of the file or folder icon. This little arrow indicates that it's a shortcut rather than the actual file or folder. Take a moment to scroll through your files to locate the shortcut you want to manage. Once you've spotted the shortcut, click on it to highlight it. This is an important step because highlighting the shortcut tells Google Drive that this is the item you want to act on. Now that it's selected, look up to the toolbar at the top of the page. You should see a series of icons, and one of them will be a trash bin icon. This is your delete option. Click on that trash bin icon to remove the shortcut from your Google Drive. But let's take a quick moment to talk about what happens if you accidentally delete the wrong item. Don't worry, mistakes happen. If you find that you've clicked the trash bin on a shortcut you actually wanted to keep, all is not lost. Simply navigate to the trash folder, which you can find on the left-hand menu. Click on that, and you'll see a list of all the items you've recently deleted. In this trash folder, you can review what's there, and if you spot the shortcut you didn't mean to delete, just click on it to select it and look for the option to restore. This way, you can recover your deleted shortcut without any hassle. So to recap, finding and removing shortcuts in Google Drive is a breeze. Just open Google Drive, locate the shortcut by spotting the small arrow, highlight the shortcut, and simply click the trash bin icon to delete it. And remember, if you change your mind, the trash folder is your friend for restoring anything you've accidentally removed. I hope this video helps you clean up your Google Drive and manage your shortcuts a little better. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating tech like a pro. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.